Alright guys, here today I'm going to show you guys how to disable your alarm on a 96 to 2000 Honda Civic. So what you want to do first is you want to undo that bolt right there, and then it should take your thing off. Alright, and once you get that off, you just want to pull it back. You should find a box right here with, and hang on a second. Just find a box right here, and then you just want to pull this one out right here, which connects your alarm. Once you pop that out, it disables it, also resets it. So if you have trouble with your alarm keep going off like I did, all you got to do is take that out, give it a little bit, put it back in, and you should be good to go.